Master Restaurant English in one video.
From making a reservation to paying the bill, here are 45 sentences you need. Before you go, making a reservation. I'd like to make a reservation, please. I'd like to make a reservation, please.
I'd like to book a table for two. I'd like to book a table for two.
I'd like to book a table for four. I'd like to book a table for four.
Do you have a table available tonight? Do you have a table available tonight?
I'd like a table for 7 p.m., please. I'd like a table for 7 p.m., please.
Do you have anything available at 7:30? Do you have anything available at 7:30?
Can I make a reservation for tonight? Can I make a reservation for tonight?
Can I change my reservation? Can I change my reservation?
Arriving at the restaurant.
Hi, I have a reservation. Hi, I have a reservation.
I have a reservation under Brown. I have a reservation under Brown.
We booked a table for two. We booked a table for two.
We don't have a reservation. Do you have a table for two? We don't have a reservation. Do you have a table for two? How long is the wait? How long is the wait? Can we sit outside? Can we sit outside?
Could we have a table by the window? Could we have a table by the window?
Yes, certainly. Getting the menu and ordering.
Could I see the menu, please? Could I see the menu, please?
Do you have an English menu? Do you have an English menu?
Yes, of course. We're ready to order. We are ready to order.
Could you give us a few more minutes? Could you give us a few more minutes?
What do you recommend? What do you recommend?
What's the most popular dish? What's the most popular dish? I'd like the grilled chicken, please. I'd like the grilled chicken, please.
I'll have the beef steak. I'll have the beef steak.
Can I get a salad, please? Can I get a salad, please?
I'd like a glass of water, please. I'd like a glass of water, please.
Asking about food. Is this dish spicy? Is this dish spicy?
Does this dish contain nuts? Does this dish contain nuts?
Does this come with rice?
Does this come with rice? Can I get this without onions? Can I get this without onions? Can I have extra sauce, please? Can I have extra sauce, please?
Can I have some extra vegetables? Can I have some extra vegetables?
Can I get this to go? Can I get this to go?
Problems with the order.
Excuse me, I didn't order this. Excuse me, I didn't order this. I ordered the chicken, not the fish. I ordered the chicken, not the fish.
I'm still waiting for my food. I'm still waiting for my food.
Could you check on my order, please? Could you check on my order, please?
My food is cold. Could you heat it up, please? My food is cold. Could you heat it up, please?
We have been waiting for 40 minutes. We have been waiting for 40 minutes. Could I get a different dish, please? Could I get a different dish, please?
Could I exchange this for a fresh meal? Could I exchange this for a fresh meal? Paying the bill.
Could we have the bill, please? Could we have the bill, please? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card?
Can we split the bill? Can we split the bill?
Could I get the receipt, please? Could I get the receipt, please? Thank you, we really enjoyed the meal. Thank you, we really enjoyed the meal.
You're welcome. In our next video, you'll hear these sentences in a real-life restaurant conversation with Mr. and Mrs. Brown.
Don't miss it. See you next time.